Hello, let me introduce you to the technology of the future, ChatGPT-4o. What is Chat-4o? ChatGPT-4o, the latest masterpiece from OpenAI, is a groundbreaking innovation in natural language processing technology. Powered by the GPT-4 architecture, this model understands and responds to human conversations with incredible accuracy. Whether you're solving complex problems or writing creative texts, ChatGPT-4o is always by your side. Features and advantages: advanced understanding and production. ChatGPT-4o deeply analyzes texts and provides intelligent responses every time. It excels at understanding complex sentences and contexts. Natural language processing. When you talk to it, you'll feel like you're conversing with a human. Its natural and fluent responses will amaze you. Multilingual support. It supports multiple languages for users around the world. If you're looking for a global assistant, ChatGPT-4o is perfect for you. Customizability. Easily tailored to meet your specific needs. ChatGPT-4o offers personalized solutions just for you. Creative and logical outputs. It can write creative pieces, prepare technical documents, and solve complex problems. With ChatGPT-4o, anything is possible. Use cases: customer service. Enhance customer satisfaction by quickly answering their questions. ChatGPT-4o is always ready and available. Education and teaching. Guides students, answer their questions, and support them in their learning journey. ChatGPT-4o makes learning easier. Content creation. Create blog posts, articles, and social media content. Producing creative and impactful content has never been easier. Research and development. Use it for scientific research and data analysis to take your projects to the next level. Personal assistance. Manage your daily tasks, set calendar reminders, and get instant answers to your queries. ChatGPT-4o is ready to be your personal assistant. The future of ChatGPT-4o, with continuous updates and improvements from OpenAI. ChatGPT-4o is becoming smarter, faster, and more user-friendly every day. This advanced technology model has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. Get ready to experience the future today. Conclusion: ChatGPT-4o is ushering in a new era in the world of natural language processing. It perfects user experience by raising the bar for human-machine interaction. Whether you are an individual user or a business owner, ChatGPT-4o is here for you. Meet ChatGPT-4o and experience the future today.